In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward an invitation on Google Calendar using your mobile device. Whether you're using an Android or an iOS device, the process is fairly straightforward and can be incredibly useful when you need to share calendar invites with others. It's a great way to ensure everyone stays in the loop. Let's get started. First, open the Google Calendar app on your mobile phone. You'll find it with your other apps, typically with an icon that features a simple calendar design. Once you have that open, you'll want to navigate to the specific event you're interested in sharing. This can be a meeting, an appointment, or any event you've already got going on. Just tap on that event to bring up its details. Once you have the event details on your screen, look up in the top right corner of your screen. You should see an icon that looks like a pencil or an edit button. Go ahead and tap on that to enter the edit mode for this event. It's important to be in edit mode because we're going to be adding guests to this event, and this is where you'll make those changes. Now, once you're in the edit mode, scroll through the options until you find the section labeled Add Guests. Here, you can type in the email address of the person or people you want to invite. Make sure that you enter the correct email address so the invitation is sent to the right individual. This section is pretty intuitive. Just type the email addresses into the field. When you're satisfied with the guests you've added, the next step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button. It's usually at the top of your screen. Once you tap Save, your device will prompt you to choose whether you want to send a notification to the new guests about the event. It's always a good idea to notify them so they know they've been added and can mark their calendars accordingly. After choosing to send notification, simply click the Send button. This will dispatch the invite to your guests, ensuring they receive all the necessary information about the event. It might take a moment for the action to process, but soon a confirmation message will likely pop up letting you know the invites have been sent successfully, and there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully forwarded a calendar invite directly from your mobile device. This feature can be incredibly helpful for both work and personal events. Remember to double check those email addresses and enjoy the convenience of keeping everyone updated with just a few taps on your screen. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.